because, spoiler alert, I got to select the shade of one of the products. So, spoiler, I know one of the products coming. I won't spoil it, but I will let you know. It's from Charlotte Tilbury. Hi everyone, I'm EYEKO Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. EYEKO stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you have stopped by because you're curious what I received in the November 2021 Allure beauty box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Okay, so for anyone who may be new to what Allure is, Allure, first off, is a magazine, and they do those awards. You may see them slapped on websites or product sites. They review and give awards for products. They also have a beauty subscription, which is $23 a month, and you receive 6 products. 3 are full size, and 3 are travel and or deluxe samples. The box does come with a little pamphlet, which will give pricing and let you know if a product is full size or travel sample, and they'll let you know where you can purchase it. Okay, what is the first item, which feels very odd in my hands? It just fell out. What is this? All right, so we have a really tiny sample from a brand I'm not familiar with called Whamisa, and this is an organic flowers toner, deep rich. I love toners, so hopefully this isn't expensive, so if I fall in love with it, I can pick it up. Let's see what the little pamphlet has to say. Oh, no. The retail price of the full size is $43. That's a little pricey, at least for me. Why you'll love it is if you haven't tried a hydrating toner, you are in for a treat. The Prep Step makes skin look so much dewier than moisturizer alone. This formula has soft, water-like texture, a subtle rose scent, and a radiant finish. Well, now that I know it's rose scent, I'm just going to set it aside and move along to the next item, which is very small but heavy. What is this? We have Simple Cleanser, Symply by Helena. And this is 2 ounces, which should be 60 grams. This is a deluxe sample. Full size retails for $29.95. And it says this milky texture, subtle lavender scent, and soothing ingredients, chamomile, water, and goat's milk work together to create a soap-like zen experience, a perfect beginning and end to the day. I don't know if I've mentioned this before. As much as I dislike the scent of rose, I am not a fan of lavender. All right, well, at least I'm not digging the little sample sizes. Hopefully the full-size ones are winners. All right, what else came in this box? All right, Alexandria Ryan, if you're watching, no, she never will. It made me think of her. This is from Wander Beauty, and it's the Upgraded Lashes, which is a treatment mascara. Ooh, what does that mean? Does it have like a lash serum built in? I'm sad. It sounds fantastic, but I'm pretty sure it's not going to be waterproof. So this is full size. It retails for $26, and it says this mascara gives eyes all the glam without the unwanted drama of smudging, flaking, and clumping. Its hourglass brush is covered with comb-like bristles to separate every single lash for maximum definition. Plus, the jet back formula is infused with conditioning peptides and nourishing panthenol, so lashes are nourished with every swipe. Well, there is what the brush looks like. I don't want to open it so it starts drying out. I do know that this will be in a future giveaway. It sounds lovely. I just, it's not waterproof. I can't wear it. All right, what else came in this box? Ooh, I'm excited. A, we have a makeup product in an Allure box. B, this is from Tarte. I love Tarte. Okay, what are you? We have the waterproof shadow and liner. It's the Quickstick, which is waterproof, shadow and liner. All right, I'll just keep repeating that. We have the color Rose Gold, Luster, and Black. Both of those sound like something I would wear. This is what the packaging looks like. Let me do some swatches. All right, so there is the, what I presume is an eyeliner. Yes, it's, if you like a fine tip, she's fine tip, and it's, scroll on up. All right, let's, ooh, that is pretty. Right there. Okay. That might be good size just to, you know, do the inner corner. Yes, I'm super excited. Makeup by Tarte. What does this retail for? Okay, this retails for $25. Let me know. Have you seen this product before? I just recently was on the Tarte website and I have never seen this. I wonder if it's new. So maybe it's been around, but hey, I'm glad it's in my life. All right, what else came in this box? We have a very light oh, I see the picture now. No wonder it's light. So we have from EYEKO London, the Eyelash Cushion Curler. I swear to God, I have an eyelash curler, but I've had it for a while. It was getting kind of gunky and I was tired of cleaning it. And I was like, maybe it's time to get a new eyelash curler. Thank you, Allure. Okay, so it's blue and it does come with is that an extra? Yes, it comes with an extra little rubbery thingamabit. Okay, what did they say that's worth? Because the value, it's a very useful tool. I like getting it, but I'm curious what they say it's going to cost. Okay, not Ipsy price, but more than I would spend. It retails for $15. I'm just used to getting the ones from like Revlon for like $3. But hey, if it's really good in the future, who knows? I may treat myself to a $15 eyelash curler. All right, I think there's more products in this box. Okay, next item. What is this? It's a sample size of something from a brand I'm not familiar with called Pili, and it's a antioxidant rich face oil. And it's made with something called Pili and elemi oil. Brands put stuff on the outside as if I'm supposed to go, oh yes, I love Pili and elemi. Oh my God. Okay, look how tiny this is, and then look at the size of the box. Why? Why are we destroying our earth? Okay, I'm grateful there's a box so I could read what it is, because there's no way I could read the writing on this bottle. Okay. This is what you get when I film midweek. And the last item is some kind of a skincare. It's from Neogen Dermalogy, and it is the Probiotics Youth Repair Cream. Okay, it's a youth repair cream. I'm not youthful. Can I use it? Or does it get me to be youthful? All right, so this does come safety sealed. Let me see what the booklet says. Curious if this is a moisturizer, serum, night cream. Who knows? Okay, so the full size retails for $48, and it says, this pretty pink jar is a whipped, luxurious cream that cuddles skin. A much needed and appreciated feat during colder months. It's formulated with smoothing peptides, 11 of them to be exact, hydrating hyaluronic acid, and nourishing ceramides to moisturize skin and give it a bouncy, slightly lifted effect. All of those words sound spectacular. When you get to my age, hearing the words peptides, ceramides, and hyaluronic acid moisturizing music to my mature dry skin. All right, well, let's recap everything we got in this month's box. We got an organic flower toner, an itty bitty teeny tiny face oil, a face cleanser, a mascara, a face cream, an eyelash curler, and a dual-ended product from Tarte, which has an eyeliner and eyeshadow stick. What are your thoughts? I can hear them through my camera as I'm filming. I know a lot of my viewers are not into the Allure box. Allure was going up and up and up. This one took a few steps back. Did I get my $23 worth? Yes. Mainly these two products. I will use this, and I love Tarte. I will use this. The rest, which was the third full size? Hold on a second. Oh yes, the mascara. I would love this if it was waterproof. It's not. And then these others, I will enjoy using this and this. The cleanser. They're lovely products. I just wish I would have gotten one of these full size instead of counting a $15, which is slightly overpriced in my opinion. Eyelash curler as a full size. It technically is. Will I use and enjoy it? I will. It's just a lower price point. But let me know your thoughts. You know, they go from 1 month where they have a 111 Skin $270 product as one of the full size to this guy here. I'm not mad. I think what they do, and this is just my theory, is that November they kind of make it a more of a meh box because their December boxes are notoriously really good. And I think this will just up the level of the December box because, spoiler alert, I got to select the shade of one of the products. So spoiler, I know one of the products coming. I won't spoil it, but I will let you know. It's from Charlotte Tilbury. Yes. All right. I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. And remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you leave me a comment, as well as click that thumbs up, it really will help my channel to grow. All right. Thanks, everyone.